Hey, what's up, Crypto Maniacs? This is Jeff once again, also known as the Crypto Nomad. And right now, I will be giving you the latest updates on what is going on with MetaMorph today. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is the official Twitter account of MetaMorph Pro. So if you haven't followed yet, just click the follow button right here. Okay, guys. So I will be showing to you on what is really going on, and as you can see right here for the pin tweet. We are still working on this, all right, and it will be launched in the late third quarter of 2018. So stay tuned for that. And of course, MetaMorph has retweeted my tweet. Of course, Crypto Nomad, yours truly, me, of course. We had, we had a Crypto Bounty Hunters event, which was sponsored by MetaMorph Pro in Ilo City. And of course, thank you Daniel Liu for the shorts. So it was really awesome to see these guys wearing METM shirts. Okay, and of course, this is me and one of those people who helped grow the MetaMorph community, and helping us in answering those questions coming from the community. So I would like to give a shout out to Mr. John J. Okay, so we had a great time after the workshop. We hang out together, even just for a short time. Sorry, and he even he even treated me to eat the La Paz botch, the original one, of course. And yep. We hanged out until I got back to the hotel because I had lack of sleeping hours, so I had to rest. But these people, this community is amazing. Even if we're just 8 people, but they are bringing their own laptops because this is a hands-on workshop in which I will be teaching about how to earn money with bounty programs. Because they have no clue, but they are very interested on how to earn. So since I have that experience, so I have started this workshop. And by the way, this workshop is independently run by me, of course. And I have started this because this is a hidden gem for us guys. When it comes to cryptocurrency, I know that most of us think that the only way for us to earn is to participate in initial coin offerings or token sales, or to buy and sell in the exchange or mining or so. But the thing is, when it comes to bounty hunting, it gives us more. Okay, sorry. So as what I have learned from last year until now, I have shared this to them. Okay, and they are very interested, guys, and this is why I've started this since last since last week. 2 weekends ago. Okay, 2 weekends ago, I've started this workshop in the same place there in Ilo City, which is the Homework Study Hub. Okay, and as we all know, everybody is eager to learn. It's a 6-hour workshop. And I came back there again for the second phase, so it's another 6 hours. So, wow, guys, thank you so much for accommodating me well. We had fun learning with each other as well. Okay, and I'm also happy, guys, that you take action. Not just learning, but you take action as well, and start applying on what you have learned in the Crypto Bounty Hunters event. And yep, last Saturday, this time we are wearing METM shirts. So thank you very much, Daniel, for this. All right, and of course about my future announcements regarding my workshop. So on August 5, I will be conducting the same workshop right here in my hometown, Bacolod City. So it will be at Arendo, a co-working space near LaSalle. So guys, if you want to learn how to earn money in bounty hunting, of course, feel free to go there. And likewise, hopefully, hopefully we will be getting more shirts in this one. So hopefully we'll be sponsored once again by MetaMorph. All right. So, anyways, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited for my upcoming workshops. Because everybody is eager to learn. All right. And of course, right here, this is another retweet from Journey to 100K. All right, he reviewed MetaMorph in today's Apollo video, so he's looking forward to using the platform. So wow, I think this guy right here, kudos to you for thank you so much for thank you so much for this tweet regarding MetaMorph and Apollo. And of course right here we have already progressed so much further than this already, so we can't wait to demonstrate our latest updates. And of course, this is the platform wallet testing. Okay, so it's a video, alright? So let's try to see if we could play this video. Of course, you can see right here, there's a play button. Okay, here we go. So, okay, this is how it looks like for the wallet platform. However, according to the update, this is not the latest UI design, but you can see how we are already progressing with the functionality of the new wallet, of course. So this is what we are doing now, and we keep working hard right now to make this perfect before it will launch on the late third quarter of this year. So even myself, I am so excited to use them. All right. So anyways, so this is just a quick update, on what is really going on with MetaMorph for last week. Okay, so, and of course, Apollo Currency. Yep. In my last video, Apollo Currency was officially partnered with us. All right, and hopefully, I know there are more tokens and coins to come to list with us. As our exchange will be fully live in the late third quarter of 2018, of course. And guys, if you think that this video has helped you in any way, don't forget to share this to your crypto friends out there. All right. So guys, I invite you guys to check out MetaMorph Pro. So if you want to check out MetaMorph Pro, so this is the official website, metamorph.pro. It is an all-in-one platform to secure, manage, and trade cryptocurrencies. Okay. So anyways, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, or if you haven't been a subscriber yet, all you have to do is to click the subscribe button so that you can stay updated with my latest videos about cryptocurrency. Okay. So once again, thank you so much for watching. This is Jeff, once again, also known as the Crypto Nomad, and I'm signing off. Bye bye.